Hey friends! Car paint sprayers flawlessly ensure brilliantly even, totally professional finishes while saving time and vastly reducing messy paint waste. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car paint sprayers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Lihaisheng gun spray for car. This highly capable HVLP spray gun acts as a wonderfully versatile, professional-grade tool perfectly suited for detailed car body painting, furniture finishing, expansive wall projects, and creative art crafts. Heavily equipped with 1.4, 1.7, and 2.0 mm stainless steel nozzles, it effectively handles a remarkably wide range of paint viscosities, from thin watery primers to thick heavy enamels, absolutely ensuring pure precision and incredibly smooth, completely even coverage on every conceivable surface. Its massive 600 ml gravity-feed paint cup drastically reduces material waste by up to a staggering 40%, while the advanced HVLP's low-pressure system radically minimizes messy overspray, saving expensive paint and heavily reducing environmental impact. The exceptionally durable inner components, specifically including a highly corrosion-resistant stainless steel needle and nozzle alongside a completely shatterproof PVC cup, easily withstand aggressive daily use. Cleaning is totally effortless with the carefully included detail brush, primarily thanks to HVLP's brilliant low-residue design. Internal performance is fully adjustable via 3 distinct control valves specifically managing air pressure, raw paint flow, and total spray width, letting you perfectly balance broad coverage for massive walls or incredibly fine detail for intricate automotive bodywork. Next up, our second product, the Vevor Stand Airless Paint Spray. This heavy-duty stand airless system serves as a massive game-changer for incredibly large automotive or broad household painting projects. Powerfully driven by a robust 750W electric motor consistently delivering up to 3000 psi of raw pressure, it aggressively covers massive surfaces remarkably quickly and incredibly efficiently. Boasting an impressive maximum flow rate of roughly 1.2 liters per minute, it successfully allows continuous, butter-smooth painting that's astonishingly up to 5 times faster than standard rolling and 12 times vastly faster than manual brushing, immediately saving huge amounts of time and physical effort. Thanks to cutting-edge fan-shaped atomization technology and heavy-duty professional-grade accessories, absolutely every single coat goes on beautifully even and remarkably fine. The sprayer's brilliantly user-friendly design smartly includes a completely detachable pump body for incredibly easy cleaning with the thoughtfully included stiff brush, while the massive extension pole makes dangerously high or painfully low-level painting totally effortless. Exceptional durability is totally guaranteed, featuring a highly adjustable motor, a rugged full-metal exterior frame, and a professional-grade rubber hose expressly built for heavy wear and intense heat resistance. Coming in at number 3, the Tilswall Car Paint Gun Spray. This heavily upgraded HVLP electric paint spray gun is specifically designed for completely effortless, truly professional quality painting, whether you happen to be a raw beginner or a heavily experienced DIYer. Meticulously built with premium aerospace-grade composite materials, this incredibly ultralight spray gun is remarkably 47% lighter than many bulky traditional models, significantly reducing terrible hand fatigue and easily making long, exhausting painting sessions totally comfortable, even for massive projects. Its highly ergonomic, sculpted design absolutely ensures extended daily use without causing painful wrist strain, making it highly ideal for anyone strictly seeking ease and total efficiency. Using the electric sprayer is incredibly simple, just smoothly pull the responsive trigger for perfectly even coverage directly onto automotive metal, rough wood, and various other tough surfaces. For the absolute best optimal results, lightly thin your paint to a 100 Dan viscosity to successfully achieve incredibly fine atomization and a completely flawless, glossy finish. The versatile gun also thoughtfully comes with premium 1.5 mm and 2.0 mm interchangeable detail nozzles and 3 highly adjustable spray patterns. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the InoKraft paint gun for cars. The highly efficient Drizzle D1 LVLP spray gun makes totally professional-level automotive painting beautifully accessible to ambitious DIYers and casual hobbyists alike. Specifically designed for ultimate ease of use, its sleek body prominently features deeply engraved, clearly marked scales and indicator labels, instantly allowing for incredibly quick, hyper-precise technical adjustments. The highly useful included quick start guide, detailed instruction manual, and comprehensive tutorial videos absolutely help you get started totally confidently, strongly ensuring that even complete beginners can successfully spray exactly like seasoned pros right away. This massive all-in-one comprehensive kit thoughtfully includes absolutely everything needed for immediate shop use: highly accurate pressure regulators, heavy-duty oil-water separators, and all commonly used essential nozzle sizes. Whether you happen to be working on incredibly detailed automotive scratch touch-ups or totally repainting garage furniture, the premium D1 spray gun consistently provides vastly superior atomization and highly efficient paint transfer, absolutely ensuring a perfectly even, glassy professional finish. Impressive durability is structurally built in with a solid one-piece forged aluminum body completely coated with protective Teflon. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Aeropro Car Paint Gun Sprayer. The R500 LVLP spray gun model A610 acts as a massive technical upgrade for absolutely anyone seeking intense precision and blazing efficiency in serious painting projects. Prominently featuring a brilliant new protective Teflon exterior coating, this highly capable gun is exceptionally wear-resistant and remarkably easy to deep clean, perfectly keeping its sleek, professional appearance even after incredibly frequent, messy shop use. Its advanced LVLP, which stands for Low Volume Low Pressure design, efficiently operates at just 2.0 to 3.5 bar and highly conservative 3.0 to 3.9 CFM, perfectly producing a remarkably finely atomized fan spray that drastically minimizes wasteful overspray and consistently ensures a glassy smooth, professional automotive finish. Boasting up to an incredible 65 paint utilization rate and a massive generous 280mm spray width, full car painting becomes remarkably faster and significantly more economical. The incredibly intuitive dual-gear trigger easily offers totally effortless air control, one gear specifically for blowing dust cleaning, the other specifically for actual painting, heavily reducing hand fatigue. Its easily replaceable precision nozzles make it incredibly versatile for sticky varnish. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.